Hello guys, in today's video we will be going through a few basic Linux commands. To get started, we will look at the uname command, which displays the operating system information as shown on the screen. The next command we will look at is the whoami command. This command displays the current user's name. The next command we would look at is the print working directory command, which shows the current working directory of the user. And if we need to list the content of this directory, we would use the ls command. The ls command can be combined with a couple of other flags like the ls flag L, which gives a more detailed list of the content of this directory. The next command we will look at is the command to create a directory. To create a directory, we use the mkdir command space the name of the directory you want to create. Then we press enter. If I list the content of this directory, you can see that a new directory has been created with the name test. The next command we will look at is the command to navigate into a directory. To navigate into a directory, we use the cd command space the name of the directory we want to navigate into and then press enter. Here you can see I am in the test directory. To navigate out of the test directory, I would use the cd space dot command, press enter, and I am back to the home Ubuntu directory that I was initially. Now the next command I would want to talk about is the command to create files in a directory. There are a couple of commands that allows you create files in a directory, which is the touch command, the nano command, and the vim command. These commands can be used based on the scenario you are facing. But for this example, I only want to create a file in the test directory, so I would be using the touch command. To do that, first I would have to change directory into the test directory. Then I would use the touch command and specify the name of the file I want to create, dot the extension, and press enter. If I list the content of this directory, you can see that a new file has been created. The next command I want to show you is the command to copy a file from one directory to another. Say we have this file 1.txt in the test directory and we want to copy this file to home Ubuntu directory. To do that, we use the cp command space the name of the file we want to copy space the absolute path of our destination, which is home/Ubuntu. Then I would press enter. If I change directory to home/Ubuntu and then list the content of that directory, you can see I have a copy of file 1.txt in that directory. The next command we'll be looking at is the command to move a file from one location to another, or you rename a file within a directory. So to do that, we use the mv command. Now I want to rename file 1.txt to file 2.txt. So I'll go ahead to type mv space file 1.txt space the new name, which is file 2.txt, and then hit enter. If I list the content of this directory, you can see that I no longer have file 1.txt, I now have file 2.txt. Likewise, I might want to move file 2.txt to the test directory I just created. So to do that, I would go with the mv command and specify the file I want to move, and also specify the absolute path of where I want to send the file to. So which would be home Ubuntu tests, and then press enter. If I change directory to home Ubuntu tests and list the content of this directory, you can see I have file2.txt present in this directory. The next command we'll be talking about is the echo command. The echo command allows you to print standard outputs on the terminal. So to do that, you type echo, and any content in the parentheses will be printed on the terminal when I press enter. So in the parentheses, I can type I love Linux and press enter. So you can see here that I love Linux is returned on the terminal. The last command we'll be looking at in this video is the command to clear your screen. To clear all the content on this screen, you can either use the Ctrl L on your keyboard as a shortcut, or you can type clear and then press enter, and our terminal is clean and as good as new. Thank you for watching.